Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a Gantt chart using templates on Canva. This is a great option if you want to create a project timeline quickly without needing advanced design skills or starting from a blank page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find ready-made designs and how to open one so it's yours to edit and make your own. This is especially helpful for project planning, school assignments, team schedules, content calendars, business timelines, or any situation where you need to show tasks and deadlines in a clear visual way. Start on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see right after signing in. From here, look for the Template section. Clicking Templates takes you to Canva's library of professionally designed layouts. Using a template is the fastest way to create a clean, readable Gantt chart without building one from scratch. Instead of manually creating rows, dates, taskbars, and labels, you can begin with a layout that already has the structure in place. Once you're in Templates, use the search bar and type Gantt chart. Press Enter, and you'll see a gallery of Gantt chart templates in different styles, colors, and layouts. This search focuses your results, so you're only seeing designs that are already structured for timelines, tasks, and progress bars. Some templates may look more corporate, while others may feel more creative or minimal, so choose one based on where you plan to use it. Take a moment to browse the results. Hover over a design to get a quick feel for the layout, then click any template to open a larger preview. In this preview, check a few things. Make sure the orientation and size fit how you plan to use the chart. Confirm the timescale makes sense for your project, and look at text legibility. Clear labels will save you time later. For example, if your project runs across weeks, choose a template with weekly sections. If it runs across months, look for one with a wider timeline. You can also note the color scheme and general style to see if it matches your brand or presentation needs. If you're working within a free account, look for templates labeled as free so you can use them without constraints. This helps you avoid selecting a design that includes premium elements, especially if you want to download or share your chart without extra steps. When you find a template you like, click it to view the details, and then select Customize this template. This instantly opens the design in the Canva editor, and at this point, it's yours to modify. You'll see the chart elements, labels, and shapes laid out on the canvas ready to personalize. Think of the template as your starting framework, not the final design. Replace placeholder titles with your project name, update task names and phases, and adjust dates or durations to match your schedule. You can edit fonts and colors to align with your brand, and if the bars are shapes, you can resize them to reflect timing more accurately. For example, if one task takes 2 weeks and another takes 1 month, stretch the bars so the timeline visually shows that difference. Keep an eye on alignment so everything stays readable. Canva's snap guides help with that as you work. Remember that templates are fully editable, so feel free to duplicate pages for longer timelines or simplify the design if you need a quick overview. If the chart starts to feel too crowded, reduce extra decoration, shorten long task names, or split the timeline into separate sections. The key is that you started with a solid structure, which makes customizing faster and more consistent. A good Gantt chart should help viewers understand what needs to happen, when it needs to happen, and how different tasks connect across the timeline. That's all there is to it. Open Canva, go to Templates, search Gantt chart, browse, preview, and hit Customize this template. From there, you're set to tailor the chart to your project with confidence. Once you learn this process, you can reuse it anytime you need a professional project timeline for work, study, planning, or presentations. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.